happy Thursday. Uh-oh, I just told you the day. Put it in your brain, lock it in there for when I ask, remember it. Guys, remember this is our, well, second to last circle time of the summer, but it does not have to be the end. Remind mommies and daddies, email me in the description, circletimewithmsalexa@gmail.com. I have a wonderful, manageable Montessori style homeschool program that I am offering for a full 12 months, which includes the circle times, or you can get the basic package and just get these circle times if you've been enjoying them. So message me for details. I would love to share that with you. Let's welcome in the day together. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy thumb is up and Tommy thumb is down. Tommy thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Buenos dias, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien y tú también. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Good morning, how are you? How are you? Me, I'm fine and you are too. Good morning, how are you? How are you? But what good morning is it today? What is it? Pull it out. Yes! Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is gardening day. So yesterday was Wednesday and tomorrow will be Friday. But what is the date? Can you help me please? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Today's Thursday, August 13th. Hoy es el jueves, el 13 de agosto. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in snowy, snowy? Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? My friends, what is the weather like today with you? Oh, well today here it's sunny, but it's also quite cloudy. Maybe it'll storm later, maybe it'll rain. So I'm going to sing about the clouds, but you choose a word for you and I'll meet you at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today, and cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy was the weather. Well, today is gardening day, but we're going to turn it into an art project like sometimes we have been doing. And we are going to create some leaf art. No, it has nothing to do with South America and nothing to do with our letter sounds of the week, but we are going to make some wonderful leaf art, which is just super fun. And then after that, maybe we can take some rubbings of it. Ready? Let's go. As you can see for our leaf art today, I already went outside and I collected various leaves that we can make our leaf art with. If you don't have a garden or a backyard, you can go out on a walk and collect some leaves. And if you can't find leaves, just use other parts of nature. It really doesn't matter. We're making a beautiful collage, which is a picture that's made up of lots of different things, and it can be any way you want. And all I have here is I have some of the school glue. It's just clear so you can't see it very well. And I have a paintbrush. And I'm going to start my collage. Ready? How cute is that? You can make a face or you can make some abstract art. Abstract just means do it any way that you would like. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and please, please, please share it on the Facebook group. That is also in the description. So share it on the Facebook group. I also have at the top of the Facebook page detailed descriptions of the pricing of the homeschool program too. I would love to see what you come up with and come and be a part of our Facebook group. Today we are going to do a Spanish song, which is a super cute one. I think we did it at the beginning of summer, but it's about your hands, because the main language in South America that is spoken is Spanish. Are you ready? Tengo dos manos, una y dos. Mis manos tocan, 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 tocan. Mis manos rascan, rascan, rascan. Mis manos acarician. ¿Dónde están mis manos? Están aquí. Manos! I love that one, it's really fun. Let's do some leaf pranayama breathing exercise today. Remember, the pranayama breathing exercise in yoga is a very good exercise for children to start the day with, for you guys, because it gets oxygen into the brain, it wakes you up and enables you to learn better. Are you ready? We're going to take a deep breath in and imagine a leaf is falling out of a tree as we breathe out. Ready? Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Thank you so much, my friends. Don't forget, shoot me a message if you want more details on my homeschooling program. Other than that, join us tomorrow. We're going to do another creative artwork, bubble art, and some of our fun songs. Have fun making your collage, making your leaf art, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.